We're going to start with the coronavirus emergency as we near authorization of a second vaccine, this time from Moderna. The FDA official review found it highly effective, and tomorrow an independent panel will meet and decide whether to recommend the vaccine for an emergency use authorization. If it does and the FDA agrees, we could see the Moderna vaccine authorized as early as Friday. That could mean 6 million doses rolling out early next week, millions of people starting to receive it.
Victor Oquendo starts us off in Miami, live inside a hotel that's been converted into a vaccination center. Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, Robin. Moments ago here at Baptist Health, they received that first shipment of Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine. Here are those pharmacists hard at work preparing those doses as we speak. When they are ready, they're going to just walk them right across the hall here into a ballroom at this hotel that they're using as a vaccination site. Some 500 frontline workers will start getting the vaccine right now.
This morning, reinforcements are around the corner. With an FDA advisory committee set to discuss Moderna's vaccine tomorrow, there's hope it will be approved as early as the end of the week. In briefing documents posted Tuesday, the FDA did not identify any safety concerns or reasons to doubt the vaccine, noting some people showed minor reactions similar to Pfizer's, like injection site pain, fatigue, headache, and chills. They said, like Pfizer's, it still needs to be studied in children, pregnant and breastfeeding women, and immunocompromised individuals. Pfizer's vaccine crisscrossing the country all week, now in nearly 600 locations. That number expected to grow to more than 1,200 sites by the end of this weekend. But for millions, a vaccine can't come soon enough. In California, 60 morgue trucks ordered on standby, the state activating its mass fatality program, preparing for what officials think might be the worst days yet.
We're going through perhaps the most intense and urgent moment since the beginning of this pandemic.
Hospitals across the state are now being overrun. LA County, home to more than 10 million people, now has fewer than 100 ICU beds available.
The capacity for intensive care unit beds is down to, as of yesterday, 1.4% of bed availability. ERs are full, patients are waiting outside.
In Oklahoma, John and Joyce Heim both battled COVID in the hospital. Joyce lost her fight. She died hooked up to a ventilator as her family had to say goodbye through video chat. Now back home, John, her husband of 58 years, regrets doubting the deadly virus.
Obviously, I have a different opinion now.
And in Grand Prairie, Texas, Paul and Rosemary Blackwell, both beloved longtime teachers, contracted COVID and took a turn for the worse in the hospital.
They were holding hands before they started to remove them from the intubation. They died within 1 minute of each other. I will miss everything about them, everything.
Vaccinations are now underway here at Baptist Health. If given the green light, Moderna's initial rollout will be on a much larger scale than Pfizer's, some 6 million doses ready to go to more than 3,000 locations. George?
Okay, Victor, thanks very much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.